Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this NEBULA Mars 3 outdoor portable projector with DLP technology, HDMI and USB support, 1080p full HD resolution, 1000 lumens brightness, 200-inch display capability, and an adjustable 3-foot stand, then please visit the link provided in the description. This projector redefines what a truly portable entertainment system can do. The NEBULA Mars 3 isn't just another mini projector. It's built to deliver a cinematic experience in any environment, whether that's your backyard, a tent, or even a rooftop setup. Everything about this device screams premium. Solid build quality, ergonomic handle, and a clean, minimalist design that's easy to carry and set up wherever you go. The visual performance is where it really shines. With DLP projection technology and a full HD 1080p resolution, it delivers sharp, lifelike images with excellent detail and contrast. The 1000 lumen brightness gives enough punch to keep the image vibrant even during ambient lighting conditions. While in darker spaces, the colors look rich and immersive. The clarity, sharpness, and smoothness of playback easily rival larger, stationary projectors. The NEBULA Mars 3 comes equipped with a 3-foot adjustable stand, making setup effortless. You can tilt, raise, or adjust the projector to get the perfect viewing angle every time. Whether you're projecting on a wall, a portable screen, or even the side of a building, it's designed to adapt instantly. Connectivity is simple and versatile. With HDMI and USB ports, it connects to laptops, gaming consoles, or streaming devices like Fire TV or Roku. Plug in a flash drive or connect wirelessly through compatible devices to access your favorite content on Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video. No complicated setup, no hassle, just instant entertainment. Audio performance on this projector also stands out. The integrated dual speakers deliver clear, powerful sound that's rich enough to fill small to medium spaces without external speakers. But if you want a deeper soundstage, Bluetooth pairing allows you to link up to external sound systems or wireless headphones effortlessly. Battery life is one of its strongest features. With up to 5 hours of playback on a single charge, you can enjoy a full-length movie marathon without interruption. And because it supports charging via power banks, it's an ideal pick for outdoor enthusiasts or travelers who want freedom without worrying about power outlets. The projector's portability doesn't sacrifice performance. Whether it's movie nights, gaming sessions, live sports, or business presentations, the NEBULA Mars 3 handles it all with impressive consistency. Low input lag and responsive performance make it suitable for gaming, while the color accuracy ensures you get a vibrant and natural visual experience. The Mars 3 also supports a wide range of display sizes, up to a massive 200 inches, allowing you to create a true theater experience anywhere. The image remains clean and detailed even at larger sizes, thanks to precise optical engineering. In summary, the NEBULA Mars 3 outdoor portable projector combines premium visuals, immersive sound, and excellent build quality into one compact, powerful unit. It's not just about watching movies, it's about creating experiences. Whether you're at home, on the go, or deep in nature, it delivers a reliable, high-quality display that's made to impress. If you're ready to take your outdoor entertainment to the next level, the NEBULA Mars 3 is the projector that checks every box. Check out the link below for the best current offers and bundle deals. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more honest tech reviews coming soon.